Has it turned 12 o'clock yet?
Wait. Okay, I'm gonna.
We already prayed.
Oh, good.
Huh?
So good.
We're ready. 3.
Okay. Happy New
Happy
Year!
New Year!
You say,
Happy.
we say New Year.
Happy.
New Year.
Happy New Year.
There was fireworks right over there,
Okay,
y'all.
watch over there.
Don't worry, I got a telescope.
There's a big one over there. I saw it.
I don't see it.
Okay, watch over here.
Here we go.
Watch, watch.
Here we go.
Should be shooting.
Wait.
There's one. Right over in there.
I don't see him.
Y'all want to get
Okay,
out there and
just
look?
watch right here. Get right over here and watch over here. Yeah, we might can get out down here. Watch.
Guys, today's 2020. We're ready to go and we're ready to see 2020. Woohoo!
Happy.
New Year.
Happy.
New Year.
Happy.
New Year. New Year. Well, guys, we have a good time. 2020. We're so celebrated. And thank you very much. Look at this. There we go. There we go. Go.
Somebody's going crazy. Somebody going crazy.
There was a big one.
We celebrate 2020. Well, it's 10 over 2019. You guys, you're right. I know.
They felt safe enough with it.
2019 plus 1 equals 2020. We celebrate 2020.
That's good. We'll put them out. Wait till tomorrow outside.
Oh, there's another one. Mom, you're missing.
Oh my goodness.
That on it.
We celebrate 2020 and thank you so much. There is.
Why are people trying to get
All right, that's good. Look at the ghost. Okay,
Hey, I saw one.
Did you?
wait.
Just stand next.
Wait, hold on. I can move the screen closer. Oh,
what?
there's one. I heard a banging sound. Right here.
I don't see it.
That's good.
Alright, let's go to bed.
What? No. I'm not going to bed.
Well, but I think it's all over. I think it's all over, don't you? Did you see one?
I don't see them yet.
Let's go to bed.
Well, 2020 will be no fireworks today.
Yes. No, it's midnight. We need to go to bed.
Please.
Wow.
No, it's midnight.
Did you say New Year?
Can we?
2020. So I get to start a new one.
I want to see fireworks.
Till
I want to see fireworks.
We've already saw them.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching the video. If you like it, comment, subscribe. If you're going to do, hit the like or do like if you want to do. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.